to New York City, in the heart of the Diamond District. My name is Sinead Catalfamo, and I am standing in front of Effy Jewelry's manufacturing house on West 46th Street. Effy Jewelry was founded by Effy Hamatian in 1979 and continues to maintain the highest level in jewelry manufacturing. Today, I am going to take you on an in-depth journey of how Effy Jewelry is made, starting with Effy's world-class design concepts to his hand-finished jewelry. Effy Jewelry sets over 200,000 carats every single year. Diamond specialists sort the stones by size and color to ensure brilliance in every piece of jewelry. Effy works with a team of designers to create his timeless designs. To tell you a little bit about it, here is Effy in his own words.
My name is Effy Hamatian. My background is electronic engineer. I think my electronic background is helping me a lot in design and see the things that ordinary people, they don't see it. When I came to this country, by luck, it's happened that I am in a jewelry manufacturing. I am 100% involved in everything going on in this company. To me, everything is important. Either 1/10 of millimeter to me is important. I'm really proud that I could tell you that came to this country with zero, and today we are one of the biggest manufacturing in the state. We are so proud of what we do here. We give lifetime guarantee in workmanship. I'm the only one in this industry that I'm doing that.
When Effy is not working on new designs in his studio, then you are sure to find him right here in the model making room. The artists in this room work on the original designs and wax models. Once approved by Effy, the samples are included in the line and moved through the manufacturing process. The plaster encasements have been in a kiln overnight, similar to an oven, which will cause the wax to melt and burn out, leaving its hollow image inside of the plaster. This process is called the lost wax. The molten gold is 18,000 degrees poured into the dried plaster, where it uses centrifugal force to drive the gold into the hollow spot left by the wax melting out. It then cools and solidifies into a solid gold tree. Once a final model or a sample has been made, a rubber mold is carved out for mass production. Each one of these canisters has hot wax in it. The mold is held up to a spout and hot wax shoots through the spout at a high pressure. Once cooled, the model is separated and the wax is checked for any imperfections. Each wax model is attached to a type of wax tree, which will set in plaster at the end of each day. After the gold tree has been removed from the plaster and washed, the piece have to be cut from the center and go through an initial polishing to soften the cut edges before heading to the gem setting room. We all know that Effy loves color in his designs. He uses over 150,000 carats of precious gemstones per year. He ensures the highest quality by having a gem sorting room dedicated to rubies, emeralds, and sapphires exclusively. The gem sorters in this room have an amazing eye for detail. Each stone is hand-selected and matched perfectly. Once the stones are sorted, the pieces are then ready for hand setting. Each piece of Effy jewelry is set either in silver or in gold. This master setter works on Effy's original designs and samples. He is a true artisan. Black rhodium is used to enhance the beauty of colored gemstones. It enhances the depth of color and allows the owner an uninterrupted display of color. Once the jewelry has been set, it then goes through a final polishing. The polishing wheel ensures a high shine finish that is smooth to touch and comfortable for daily wear. After polishing, all jewelry will go through a final wash and steam to enhance the brilliance that you'll experience when you purchase your piece. Effy is renowned for having the best quality control in the jewelry business. Before leaving the New York factory, each and every piece undergoes an intensive and elaborate quality inspection process. Our experts check the prongs, the stone settings, the inside of the ring, the metals, and the final polish, all to ensure your piece is delivered to you with the highest quality craftsmanship. Effy's goal is that your jewelry lasts you lifetimes and beyond. Because of our first-class manufacturing process and extensive quality control measures, we are able to back up every purchase with a lifetime replacement warranty. We are now in the Effy showroom. This is where designers from around the world come to view thousands of pieces that have been created by Effy Hammatian in this very facility. Effy Jewelry is a family-run business, and Effy works side by side with his sons, Benny and Bobby, every single day. They share their father's passion and goals for the Effy brand.
My name is Benny Hammatian. I am Effy Hammatian's eldest son. I am blessed to have 5 children, and when asked from my children, Dad, what is Effy Jewelry? I keep seeing the ads, and I keep seeing you guys talking about it. And my response to them would be, it is the epitome of the American dream. Your grandpa came to this country 35 years ago with nothing in his pockets, and today he's a very successful man. And if you would ask my father the same question, he would attribute it to, obviously, first and foremost, God, his faith, his belief that God does everything and controls everything, but second to his hard work and his being able to help all the people that work with him. He feels that it's part of his success. He feels that his ability to help people is what gives him the success that he has today. As a manufacturer, what we did and what we continue to do today at its best is manufacture quality product with the best value and a variety of styling. My brother had a vision, and he made the entire family believe in his vision, and that was to start telling the consumers, who is this product being made by? Who is the man behind it all? And he brought it out to the world, and the world connected with it because they realized that it's just not another brand out there that says there is a designer, or there's someone sitting in offices designing, portraying it as a designer, but there really is a person that is designing and developing and touching every single piece of jewelry that leaves this building. And that, to the end consumer, is what is important. They want a connection. They want to know that there is really a heart, a soul being put into every single piece. And that's what they get from Effy Jewelry. And today, people know that. I believe this panther was selected because it resembles strength, power, and beauty. And it perfectly explains and describes my father's passion for his jewelry.
My name is Bobby Hammatian. I am Effy's second son. I'm blessed with having 3 beautiful kids. They're still very young, but when they do get a little older and they ask me, Dad, who is Effy? I'm gonna tell them their grandfather came to this country 35 years ago with nothing. And he had a vision, and he had a dream, and he worked hard to get to where he is. He lived the American dream. When my father started this business 35 years ago, he started as a manufacturer. All the retailers were carrying our brand or our product as private label. About 15 years ago, we decided as a family that we want the consumer to know what they're wearing. I bet you there are thousands of people out there today that are wearing Effy product not even knowing it. And we want you to know that you're wearing Effy and be proud of it.
Effy Jewelry is able to offer a lifetime guarantee because of the man, Effy Hammatian. Everything he does is about quality, whether it be in the way he dresses, to the way he acts, to the piece of jewelry that he makes. It's about the details, it's about the workmanship. He has put into the heads of every person within the corporation, every one part of the family, that the most important thing that you have to do when making a piece of jewelry is make sure that the quality is 100%, because our goal is to have that end consumer feel confident in what they are buying and to become part of the family and to continue coming back to the Effy brand. Making a faulty piece of jewelry is good for one time, 2 times you can trick the customer. The 3rd time around, the customer will not be tricked and they will not fall for it. So from the get-go, we believe Effy jewelry has to have the best quality and workmanship, and therefore we are able to offer a lifetime warranty.
What separates Effy from other jewelry brands, first, is endless ways to express yourself. We offer a vast selection for every taste and budget. The second thing that separates us from others is our quality and craftsmanship and attention to detail. Benny is the heart that beats in this company. Benny is touching every single aspect of this business, from manufacturing to selling to staffing. He's involved in every detail that you can imagine. And he's so dedicated and devoted and so passionate about what he does. That's why Effy is who it is, because of people like Benny being so passionate and loving what they do.
I love what I do, and I wouldn't switch it for anything else in the world. I have the opportunity of spending every day with my father and my brother and the entire Effy family along our side, working with us every single day.
Today, Effy is a household name because we have A-list celebrities recognizing our product. We decided as a family that it's time to talk direct to the consumer, to let you know and for you to be proud to know that you own an Effy piece. I love coming to work every day. To have the opportunity to work side by side with my brothers, my father, and the entire Effy family is truly a blessing. To have the opportunity to put a smile on people's faces and be part of their happy occasions is what drives me to build this brand and to come to work every day.
With the exception of a few modern techniques, each stage of the manufacturing process that Effy uses has been around for centuries. We hope today gives you a greater appreciation of the passion and dedication that goes into each piece of Effy jewelry.